We're just going to do a quick tour of the bed platform and generator situation here for the Pleasure Wave van. So as you can see, when these are stationary, the cushions look like this. So in order to get those done and down, what you'll do is you'll go down here. There's a battery disconnect. Turn it on. And then there's a button right here to the right of the DVD player. You'll push up. Right? And then there'll be a little plate right here that you'll put down. And then you'll put these cushions here on top. And then it'll make a big bed platform. So it's a really good size. And then also over here, just wanted to reference the generator. So it has 131 total hours. Now to start the generator, and I just want to show that it works, you'll push the start and you'll hold it. Maybe we'll even go take a look at the generator. Generator's located here. And then also show you where the black and gray water tanks are and freshwater tanks are. So right above the generator here, you'll see the areas for here. Water heater works. We're not going to turn it on because it got winterized, all the water's out and everything. So we can definitely set something up if you're interested and add water to it and go through everything. So click on gray water, empty, black, empty, fresh, empty, batteries working. So that's how you'll check that. And then the pump obviously is located here. But yeah, super cool. You'll go into the closet here that's next to the bathroom, and you'll see this area right here. We've got a table, then we've got this for the bed platform. Take this out. You'll twist this in. Looks like that. Take this table. Looks like that. And when you're done with it, comes off easily, you'll twist it. You'll notate this board here. Can fit on this ledge right across there. Goes across like that. And your last one there. Super nice. Super nice setup. And then, so the Dometic refrigerator does work. So the fridge, you can do a 12 volt, 120 volt gas or propane for this. The owner says to do 12 volt while driving. And then for the furnace, it uses gas. And then I believe that's it for that. Everything works. Microwave. And then one more thing I wanted to go over. So there's a cosmetic flaw that I missed from the other day when I was doing my video. So this lock, so it looks like this. It looks a little bit more raggedy on video, obviously, but so the lock broke. I think someone tried to like break in it or something, but it still works really easily. I didn't find it hard to unlock or lock at all, but it does look like this. So not too noticeable, but worth mentioning. But yeah, 2013 Pleasureway van, super cool setup. You can find us at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. And you can ask for me, of course. My name is Reagan. Be happy to help you. Thanks, guys.